King news, my wonderful people. Hey, it has finally happened. Reverend Father Mbaka has been removed from adoration ministry. And as we speak, they don't say Reverend Father Mbaka. He's been sent to the monastery. Okay, the church has sent him to the monastery. And the reason is because Mbaka just came back, he returned to adoration ministry, and straight up is back on politics, where he told Nigerians that many of them are wasting their time. The church not wanting to get into the political uproar of what is going on, deem it fit that the best thing to do is just to get their man off the whole tangent so that they are not, being looked at as a people who may be causing trouble, so to say. So the best thing to do is to ensure that, they just send him to the monastery. And as we speak now, Reverend Father Mbaka, who has been speaking into politics, has now been sent to the monastery. See what exactly is going on. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Breaking news. Reverend Father Mbaka removed from adoration ministry, sent to the monastery. Charismatic Enugu priest, Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, has been transferred out of the adoration ministry. Daily Post reports that the church's latest decision is already generating protests from Mbaka's followers. The adoration ministry, which was shut down 3 months ago, was reopened yesterday, Sunday. However, in the place of Father Mbaka, another clergy of the Catholic Diocese of Enugu, Reverend Father Antonio Amadi, has been posted to take over the adoration ministry. Reverend Father Mbaka has been sent to the monastery. A top member of the ministry who confirmed the posting to Daily Post said the development was unfortunate. According to him, all along the bishop has been trying to take over the adoration ministry, but I can assure you that no priest will succeed there. So long as Reverend Father Mbaka is not there, nobody will come there to worship. And the priests they have sent will be sent back away because nobody will stand with them and worship. Reverend Father Mbaka has come to be loved by his people in no small way. He has supported them a great deal, and they are very happy and proud of him. They see that he's someone who is fighting their cause, and they are ready to stand with him come rain, come shine. However, politicians are wanting to get into the church and destabilize things there. The worshippers at the adoration ministry has made up their mind. No matter who is posted, we will not join them to worship until they return our Reverend Father. Can he not express his opinion as a Reverend Father? Being a Reverend Father is a decision. Expressing your opinion and how you feel, so long as you're not going against the law of the land, is every human being fundamental human right. Why is the church fighting him for displaying his very own fundamental human right? It ought not to be so. This is why the people are particularly not happy with the decision that has been taken against Reverend Father Mbaka. When he speaks, they said he should be quiet, but he has a right as a Nigerian to a PVC to vote for the candidate of his choice. However, he is not to tense up the political atmosphere. That does not exempt him for being a Nigerian and being a human being with his own fundamental human rights. Those who are standing against him, who are posting him from pillar to post, do not want the good of the church. So this is exactly what is happening. And in case you are not aware, our very own beloved Reverend Father Mbaka has been sent away from adoration ministry. This all stemming from the fact that he continued to speak up. Okay, he's not a father that will be quiet in the face of all that is happening. No, Mbano. Reverend Father will not do that. He will let you know that this is right. And he will tell if this is right and this is wrong. And he will tell you as it is. They want him to be diplomatic, but sorry, Reverend Father Mbaka is not a diplomatic fellow. Okay, this church we're talking about now is in an adoration ministry, is in Enugu. And so people of Enugu, the very ministry there are not happy with this development. A lot of people have said, no, this is not right. We should not allow this to happen in any way, form, or kind. And so some of the eyewitness we spoke to said people will not even come there to worship until, they return Father Mbaka. They've sent him to the monastery. Now, in serving as a father is your choice. Yes, is your choice, and you've made up your mind that you want to serve God in this capacity, and you have pledged to be obedient to the course of which you have made up your mind to follow. So these are some of the things going on, and Reverend Father Mbaka, has pledged his allegiance to follow through. However, some are not happy, saying he should be allowed to express himself. All this stemmed from his criticism, of politicians. The last straw that broke the camel's back was what he said about our very own brother, Peter Obi. In fact, that was it. And they had to send him away. For 3 months, Adoration Ministry was shut down. 3 whole months, the ministry was shut down. It has been reopened. However, Reverend Father Mbaka is nowhere to be found. And the people of that diocese are saying, we are not going to come to this church. If they like, they should keep posting different clergy to us. We are not coming there until they return our Father Mbaka. So these are some of the things happening. Some of the things you should know. Nigerians will begin to pay attention, to what is important. Reverend Father Mbaka continue to speak up against, politicians who he feels are not doing well. Again, now there's a thin line between that. Okay, whatever is your opinion, but you don't impose it on others, or try to stir up, an argument that is baseless. So the church, in trying to curb all that excesses, have decided to transfer Reverend Father Mbaka. But this is not going down well with a lot of his supporters and followers who feel that the Reverend Father is being oppressed. Do you feel the same way? Do you think Reverend Father Mbaka is being oppressed because he keeps speaking and he talks about what is wrong in the society and tells government to their face? So these are part of, they tell them to their face without mixing words. Some will not speak, and even when they speak, they use side of their mouth. They are not being honest and sincere. However, my people, we will continue to tell you the truth on what is going on currently, now and today. Yes, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Elections are around the corner. Get ready to vote, vote, vote. Anybody who speaks and condemns this administration, telling them that they have done wrong, becomes the enemy of the state, just for you to know. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.